Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are doing great in your lives. So today is going to be a very special haul because this is also again this is a great Indian festival haul. Amazon पे जो recently चल रहा है, there is a very huge big haul is live on Amazon. Please guys go and check that out. Link will be in the description box below. If you like any of the products which I'll show you, सारे की links नीचे description box में मिल जाएगी. You can check that out. Really, there is a very huge haul, very great discounts, very nice coupons and everything is going on. So please guys, don't miss out. If you are a lover like me for online shopping, please you should definitely check that out. So I have received my parcel right now. So this is my huge parcel, you can see. I'm going to show you quickly. I'm going to show everything up. First I'll open this up so that time waste ना हो हम दोनों का. Okay, बहुत बड़ा पैकेज है, बहुत बड़ा पैकिंग में आया है और इसमें क्या है, मेरी कुछ बहुत फेवरेट स्टफ्स है जो मैं आपको भी बताने वाली हूँ. ओह वाव. So this is how everything looks. Wow. So the first product, I have Lavi bags with me. इस पर इतने अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स चल रहे हैं लावी के बैग पे, केपरीज पे, बैगेट पे. इफ़ यू आर अ बैग लवर, यू शुड डेफिनेटली नॉट मिस दिस आउट, दिस सेल. सो देर इज़ वेरी गुड डिस्काउंट. आई हैव गॉट वेरी so many of bags because I am a bag lover, and if you are too, so just check that out. The link will be in the description box below. So my first bag which I have ordered is this one. So this is also my first impression with my bag. Wow. Wow, this is mustard color bag from Lavi. इसकी ये जो है थोड़ा सा पता नहीं ठीक ठाक ही है. So this is how it looks. This is how this looks. Very nice quality, very nice purchase, and this is absolutely love. This is the mustard color. This is actually an octo color. This is actually called a mustard color, yellow and this kind of. This will go with all my burqa and black hijabs, and the quality of this bag is amazing. This is Anushka Sharma's brand ambassador. The MRP is 4,000 rupees for this bag, but there is very amazing deal going, which is 72%. Sometimes it's 82% discount, or sometimes it's 50 or it's 60. You have to check your luck if you are interested in. So cart में डाल के रखने का. You should see when the discount comes, and you just have to buy it at that time only. So this is how the bag look. It is very nice and spacious. This is called their horse collection. This is some texture. This is how it the sturdy is. Very good quality bag. अच्छा खासा लंबा चलेगा ये बैग, ऐसा है. Now let me just tear it up so that I can show you the inside zip. This is how this looks. और ये inside bag है इसका. बहुत अच्छी zip है इसकी. Wow. From inside also it has this lining which says Lavi. From inside also you can see zip has the boundary. From this side also it has two pockets to keep your mobile phone and key, and there is one small zip. So basically it has 3 compartments to the other side and one middle in between. The zip is also very amazing quality, very nice quality, I must say. इसका 4,000 MRP है, but you'll get in very discounted rate. This is also golden color which says Lavi over here. It comes with this strap also. If you don't want to carry it, it comes with this strap. Look, इसकी strap की भी बहुत ही amazing और बहुत अच्छी quality है, which is gold in color. You had to attach the straps from the sides if you can't handle it like this. Very nice and very comfortable. Very nice, very comfortable, very light in weight though. And this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Really very lovely bag. This will be an awesome to give someone else, someone you love. She'll love it. Yeah, I actually love the color, love the size, love the quality, everything. If you stuff your stuffs, it will look like this. थोड़ा सा ये ऐसा हो जाएगा. Very spacious bag and very lightweight, I must say. Very lightweight. That's why I ordered this two. One is for me and one is for and other one is for my foreigner bhabhi. She's in UK, so I'm going to get this back to her. Give this back to her. So I'm not going to open it. This is the same bag which I've ordered. I ordered for myself and I asked her if she's interested. She loves this. She told me I love this bag only. I've given her 2-3 options and she loved this. So I have ordered this. Inshallah, if I'll be going soon, then I'll get this back to her. So this is the same bag as I told you, I'm going to gift it to her. So I'm not going to open this up. Just quickly show you, this is the only bag, the same bag. So Nanan and Bhabhi is going to use the same bag. So this is how it looks. I'm not going to open it as I told you, but surely I'm going to see the condition, if it's nice, good, and I'll check it. Okay. A must buy bag. I really love this. I'm in love with this bag. Seriously. This is so pretty bag. So these were my 2 bags. The third bag is also from Lavi. Actually मेरा तो मन हुआ कि मैं सारा के सारा जिस पे डिस्काउंट से ले लूँ, but I control myself because I've already ordered 2-3 bags पहले से. So this was my third bag from Lavi. Oh wow. Its price is 4,3990. This is a satchel bag. That was the handbag. Nice packaging, up to the mark. Quality is up to the mark. Lavi में बहुत ही वो collection भी होते हैं, नहीं कि एकदम sober, बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple. But if you're a girl, if you're a woman like me, so you should go little bit trendy, not very simple. So I picked up the color which I like, bright, vibrant sometimes. So this is very pretty bag. Oh my god, nice packaging. This is the brand and stuff, all of these stickers. Wow, amazing. Wow. So pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Actually, I wanted black color or some gold, rose gold color, but there was a discount on this silver bag, so I ordered silver bag. I was very skeptical to order a silver bag, but it's okay. This looks nice, this looks pretty, this looks fantastic and has an amazing quality. This is how this looks. This is how the quality is. It's very nice. It's again very spacious. थोड़ा सा ये छोटा नहीं बोल सकते, बड़ा भी नहीं बोल सकते. The perfect medium size. You have to carry it like this. So obviously it has a black boundary, so it will go nice with niqab and hijabs. So as I love this brand Lavi Kibris, I think so as a bag this is worth buying bags if you are buying online. And it has just one compartment, but it is a small bag, so it don't need 2 to 3 compartments though. From inside also it has a zip compartment, 1 zip and 2 compartment to keep phone and keychain. This is how this looks. This is very nice, spacious, as you can see, and this is how it looks. It comes with this strap to attach, okay, and very amazing buy. Go for it girls, go for it. So my last purchase was this shoes from Borje. I don't know how to pronounce. हाँ you चलो. This is, I don't know how to pronounce this. Guys, you should definitely try this bag. मुझे thank you आप ज़रूर बोलोगे. Okay, so this is the shoes. I don't know how to pronounce this. Wow, this is very nice shoes. Very very nice, very light in weight. From downside also it has this kind of very nice material. This is a navy blue color and a grey color. This will go with jeans and all. I hope you guys like my video. If you really do so, Don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to my channel, and if you want any of the product, link will be in the description box below. Guys, please do check that out and support me by sharing my video to your friends and family. Till then, take care. Bye.